Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today we are going to take up another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here we have to find required expression x minus y over x whole power 80 plus x minus y over y whole power 80. Let's say required expression is E. We have one equation x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. So let's get started by writing our equation x square plus y square plus xy, which we can write minus 2xy plus 3xy equal to 0. Now we will take this term to the right hand side. So we can write x square plus y square minus 2xy equal to minus 3xy. Now this is x minus y whole square. So we can write x minus y whole square equal to minus 3xy. Now we are going to divide this equation by x square first. Then we will divide by y square. X cannot be equal to 0 as per our required expression. X is not equal to 0. Y cannot be 0. So LHS can be written as x minus y over x whole square will be equal to minus 3. X and x will get over. We will get y over x. Now here it is x minus y whole power 80 over x power 80 or x minus y over x whole power 80. So we are going to raise power 40 both sides. So we'll write power 40 in RHS also. Now LHS will give us first term of required expression x minus y over x whole power 80. And RHS will become 3 power 40 times y over x whole power 40. Let me write here x minus y over x whole power 80. This is equal to 3 power 40 times y over x whole power 40. Similarly, we will divide by y square. So I will write x minus y whole square. This was equal to minus 3xy. Now we will divide both sides by y square. So let's divide LHS by y square, RHS by y square. One y will get over from right hand side numerator denominator. LHS will be x minus y over y whole square. And RHS is minus 3x over y. Now here we have requirement of x minus y over y whole power 80. So we are going to raise power 40 both sides so that we will get second term of required expression. So I can write here x minus y over y whole power 80 equal to 3 power 40 times x over y whole power 40. Let's say this is our equation number 1 and it is our equation number 2. Now we will add equation 1 and equation 2. So LHS will give us required expression E. And in right hand side we will take 3 power 40 common out. So in bracket we can write y over x whole power 40 plus x over y whole power 40. This is our required expression E. Let me write here E equal to 3 power 40 in bracket x over y whole power 40 plus y over x whole power 40. Let's assume x over y. Suppose this is alpha. This bracket only equal to alpha and this bracket only equal to beta. Let me write here x over y equal to alpha and y over x equal to beta. Now our required expression will change. In terms of alpha and beta, we have to find 3 power 40 times alpha power 40 plus beta power 40. This is our required expression now. Now we will find alpha times beta. Alpha is x over y and beta is y over x. So we will get alpha times beta 1. If we will find alpha plus beta, then we are going to add x over y with y over x. So we will be writing x square plus y square in the numerator and xy in the denominator. Now one equation was given to us, x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. From here we will find x square plus y square, which will be equal to minus xy. And this value we are applying over here. So we can write minus xy over xy. So alpha plus beta will become minus 1. So we have alpha beta 1 and let me write here alpha plus beta equal to minus 1. Now we can think about one quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. Then here we have sum of roots and here we have product of roots. So let's write our equation. Alpha beta equal to 1, alpha plus beta equal to negative 1. Let me write quadratic in t. So I am writing t square. Roots are alpha and beta. T square minus sum of roots, it is alpha plus beta, it is minus 1. So we will write plus t plus product of roots, it is 1. So we will write 1 equal to 0. Now we will check our equation at t equal to 1. So LHS will give us 3, RHS is 0. T cannot be 1. Or I can write t minus 1 cannot be equal to 0. Now I will multiply both sides by t minus 1. So we will write t minus 1 times t square plus t plus 1. And in right hand side 0 times t minus 1 is 0. And this is formula of t cube minus 1 cube equal to 0. So from here we will get t cube equal to 1 cube or 1. And t is either alpha or beta. So we will write here alpha cube equal to 1 and beta cube equal to 1. Now our required expression is, I will write here E equal to 3 power 40 in bracket alpha power 40 plus beta power 40. We have alpha cube 1 and we have beta cube 1. Now we will use laws of exponents. So we will write alpha power 40, alpha power 39 times alpha plus beta power 39 times beta. Using power rule, we will find alpha power 39. We can write alpha cube whole power 13. 3 times 13 is 39 times alpha plus beta cube whole power 13 times beta. Now alpha cube is 1, beta cube is 1. So we will write here 3 power 40 times 1 power 13 times alpha plus 1 power 13 times beta will be equal to 3 power 40 times alpha plus beta. Now we have equation alpha plus beta. This is equal to -1. So we are going to get here 3 power 40 times -1. So our required expression would be minus of 3 power 40. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.